Hello, I'm in a 2011 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you how to activate your heated seats or to turn them off. So this is what my interface looks like, but right around here, if you've got these options in your particular model, you should see heated seats here for the driver's seat or for the front passenger seat. So just a matter of clicking, and then just keep clicking to turn it off. Same with the top option. And then obviously it should take several minutes for it to really heat up properly for your seat. And then if for some reason it's not after several minutes of it being on, of whichever mode you choose, hopefully it's just a matter of something as simple like a loose connection. If you go underneath the seats, there's little connectors that plug into the seat. Maybe you have something loose. Hopefully it's just a matter of that. You should be able to get to those without taking the whole seat apart. Otherwise, if that doesn't work for you, and like maybe these aren't lighting up at all when you click them, maybe you have something loose inside of the dash here that you'd need to pull this apart and make sure that all those connections are tight as well. If something like that doesn't work, I would at that point for sure go to some sort of qualified mechanic who knows how to service these properly. Maybe it needs like a new heating mechanism or something like that. But otherwise, it should be fairly simple for just getting these turned on. Otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a great day.